evaluate cotangent negative 5 pi over 6 over sine 17 pi over 3. In this question, you have to do a few things. For some of you who don't like working with radians, convert this to degrees. So, to convert angles to degrees, you take the negative 5 pi over 6 and multiply it by 180 over pi. So the pi's would cancel, and that will give you negative 150. And then take also the 17 pi over 3 multiplied by 180 over pi. Pi's would cancel. That's 3 goes into itself, 1 goes into 60 times. And then if you multiply that, you get 1020. So you have to draw these two angles to be able to answer this. So the first angle here is the negative 150. So 0, 90, pi, 180, 270, all the way around is 360. So negative 150, you're going in this direction here. So negative 150, it's around here. Bring up a vertical now. If this is negative 150 and negative, you go clockwise when you're measuring angles in negative when you measure angles with negative sign. So you need to find out what the reference angle here is, and it's 30 degrees. And since that's 30 and that's 90, then this is 60 degrees. And this is the special angle triangle where the opposite to 30 is 1 and the opposite to 60 is √3. But both of them will be negative. The reason is the x-axis here is negative and the y-axis here is negative. Now, let's graph also the 1020. So 1020, basically, if you go one round, is 360, another round is 720, 1020 minus 720 is 300. So you have to go 300 more. So that will put you right here. And that's where the angle is. Bring a vertical. So this is 1020. Again, 0, 360, 90, 180, 270. So I went 720 and then I went 300 more. So from here to there is 300, then I have a reference angle here of 60 degrees. And if that's 60, then this is 30. This is 30 right here. Opposite to 60 is √3 from the special angle triangles, and it's got to be negative because the y-axis here is negative. The hypotenuse is 2, and this is 1 because it's positive since the x-axis here is positive. Forget to write the 2 here for this triangle. Now, you could start doing this. So what you have cotangent, and cotangent is the reciprocal of tan. So if tan theta is opposite over adjacent, then the cotangent would be adjacent over opposite. So if you're looking at this triangle here, adjacent over opposite, so it's negative √3 over negative 1, which gives me, so I'll just write it out, negative √3 over negative 1. And for the sine of 17 pi over 3 or 1020 is opposite over hypotenuse, so that's negative √3 over 2. Now this will become negative √3 divided by negative 1, just √3. And since this is division, you change it to multiplication and you flip the divisor. And now you could reduce √3 with √3 right here. So you're left with negative 1 on the bottom. 2 divided by negative 1 is negative 2. And that's the answer for this question.